Hi crafty friends, I'm Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today I figure we doing a quick unboxing from Dreamer Design. Okay, it's very nice purple color on the box, very shiny, and it tells you the features. Okay. Sparkling diamonds with AB accents. It's legally licensed. Full drill diamonds. Okay. Dreamer Cloud canvas. And it has a lifetime warranty plus and insurance. Okay. And then it has the instructions step by step, how it works. And it tells you what's inside the canvas, inside the box. And why diamond paint? Why not? It says here it reduces stress and anxiety and improves your focus. God knows I need that one. Helps your fine motor skills, increases your social circle, and helps to spark creativity. And this is actually a creative and cool box. It comes with a little handle. If you want to take it with you, okay, you're going to go crafting with your friends. All right, let's see. Open this baby up. I believe this is my second from Dreamer Design. Can't remember. It comes in a very nice big bag. Make sure they don't have anything in here. Okay, it doesn't have anything. I think I do. Okay. Let's see. Let's open this up. Okay, let's see. We have the toolkit. It comes in another little bag. Very soft. Then we have the drills. And of course, the canvas. Okay, and it comes in a nice, with a nice ribbon, purple ribbon. You can use this for your hair. Why not, right? For a nice ponytail, or put your hair back. Okay, let's see. Should we do this first or the toolkit? Let's do the toolkit quickly. I love this color. It's like a very light purple. Let's see what we have in here. Lots of good goodies. Okay. So it comes with the resealable bags. It comes with 2 Dreamer Design waxes in the container, which is pretty cool. It comes with 2 scrunchies. I call them scrunchies, but they're actually pen grips. It's for the pen, which is, you get 2 of those. It's to help your hands. Okay. And it comes like it's 2 of everything. 2 trays, Dreamer Design. It comes with great tweezers, very sharp. I love sharp tweezers. And it comes with a straightener, just to straighten out your drills. And it comes with 2 placers. Okay, pretty cool. Let's move that aside. And the canvas. Let's see. The canvas is soft. And this is my first time. Okay, let me get this on first. So it comes with the, wow, are these stickers? Yeah. So all you have to do is cut these out. It's called Blueberry. All right. Wow, this has 68 colors. Mamma mia. And 4 ABs. This is just the instructions again. Over there. Let's turn this baby so you can see it better. Wow, it's pretty big. And it comes with a foam. So if you want to roll it back in using that. I'm just roll this way, guys, first. Straighten it out a little bit. Wow, this is pretty big. Okay. All right, I think that's good. Wow, she is stunning. This is my first, well, it's called Blueberry. And it's from Dreamer Design, and the artist, his name is Kurtis Rykovich. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. But his art is Gothic art and fantasy. Alright, so on the top, over here, on the left, it tells you the name of the painting. It's Blueberry, and it's legally licensed from Kurtis Rykovich. It's 60 by 80 centimeters, and it's 23.6 by 31.5 inches. So it's pretty big, guys. It's very, very clear. So let me bring this up so you can see how clear that is. And look at how stunning she is. Okay, so it's got a legend on, let me move this over here. It's got the legend on the left-hand side, 68 colors, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. The ABs are down here. And this is just the number for the containers. This is the sign, on the canvas, and the DMC numbers. And it also has the legend on the right hand side of the painting, right there. Okay? And she is, I love, this is actually my first Kurtis. I love them all. I might start collecting them. I love that they all have like big heads and big, big eyes. And I think that's pretty cool. She's got beautiful, beautiful blue hair with purple highlights. And look at those big, big blue soft eyes. She's absolutely stunning, guys. Wow, this is gonna look beautiful. And my favorite is that she's got a little, I don't know if it's a lizard with wings, or is it like a little dragon? It's like some sort of little creature. He's sitting on her shoulder. She has her head slightly tilted. And then she's got wings. So is she a fairy? She must be, right? She's got wings. She's got beautiful red lips. And then she's got like this outfit that is absolutely beautiful. It's like furry. I don't know. It's like, it's not feathers. I don't know what you call that. It's like a furry vest. Oh, God, there's a name for this. And people wear them around their shoulders. I forget what they're called. But anyway, so let's see how sticky it is. Okay, so it's very, very sticky. And I am going to have a wonderful time working with this one, guys. Wow. Love her. Love her. Love her blue hair. Love her. Okay, so let's look at the drills. Let's put her over here because she's pretty, pretty big, guys. And like I mentioned before, she's got, wow, 68 colors. That's a lot. Okay, now I have them in order. Okay, so we have 152, 154. These colors are all absolutely beautiful, guys. 154. Actually, there's two of these. 155. Look at that purple. Another purple. 209. This is a lighter one. This is 223. Wow, I love this color. 224. 304. And 310. So we got 2 or 310s. 317, these are gray. 318, a lighter gray. 327, 333, 340, 341, 349, 414, lots of grays. 415, and 453. Uh, 600, it's like a reddish pink. 602, 720, ooh, I love this one. 762, 775, 796, 797, $7.98. Very pretty blues. Lots of blues too. $7.99 and $800. So it's got lots of blues, pinks. $8.09, $8.13, $8.14, like browns. $8.19, $8.20, very pretty blue. $8.23, $8.26, $8.27, $8.28, and $9.15. This is beautiful. That must be for her outfit. $9.17, $9.18, $9.30. I love that they are in order, guys. I love that. $9.31, $9.32. Lots of blue grays. $9.38, browns. $9.39, like dark blue. $9.95. Wow, what a pretty blue. Wow. I wonder if this is for her eyes. $30.41 and $30.42. $33.71. It's like a darker brown. $36.07. Wow, that's beautiful. I love all these colors, guys. $36.08, $36.09, $37.13. That's pretty. $37.40, $37.43, $37.46, $37.47, $37.50. Beautiful, beautiful. Love them all. Okay, and then you've got $37.52, $37.53, $37.56, $37.99, $38.34, beautiful, $38.66, and these are the ABs here. Okay, so the AB is 01, which is like a purple, 08, which is white, 34, AB 34, it's a lighter purple, and AB 35, it's like an orange, so beautiful. So let's cut this out, cut out the ABs, and let's look quickly to see where the ABs are on the painting. So let's get the painting again. All right, let's see. Let me actually show you guys. Okay, so the ABs are 01, wherever we see 01, 08, 34, and 35. Okay, so, oh gosh. So I guess, let's look for the purple. This is like a purple. Ah, it's on the lizard. Looks like it's going to be on the lizard. Oh, I'm sorry. I take it back. 01, which is 65, would be this. I'm sorry, let me show you. So if you look at the ABs, you have to look for these signs. So it's the little slash, the O, it looks like a, what do you call that, like a time, and then a G. So those are the ABs. Alright. So wherever we see O's, so it looks again like it's gonna be on a little dragon on his wings. And okay, so we've got the O and that little clock thing. Oh gosh, it looks like it's scattered everywhere. And of course the slash also, that's gonna be an AB. O's. It looks like a lot on the dragon. O's on her face. Wow. And some in her hair. So, yeah, this is gonna be beautiful, guys. A lot of this is on the little dragon. The little dragon, because he's mostly purple. And the white is gonna be on her face, the sparkles, the extra shine, and then the orange. What did we say was this one? This one is the G. G. I thought it would be on her lips. Is it G there? No. Is it here? No. Oh, it's probably in her outfit. Her furry outfit. Yep. Okay, guys. And of course, you can bling her some more. So if you could bling her, what would you bling? Would you bling her beautiful long eyelashes? And maybe some in her eyes? I don't know. And of course her lips. Yep. Okay, guys. So I absolutely love her. She's stunning. I mean, what's not to love? Excellent artist, and from Dreamer Design. So I can't wait to get started. Thank you for joining. Bye bye. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.